Hello guys, today I'm escaping from Milano, the urban city, to historical and relaxable city. It's Bologna. Ciao, ciao. Bologna is located 200 kilometers south from the Milano, so I took the train for 3 hours and finally I arrived here. So and I think all of you guys have known that this city name Bologna because of the pasta bolognese. Yeah, it's like a meat sauce pasta, but the Italian people do not call it bolognese. They call it pasta ragu. Ragu is one of the sauce of the pasta. They use like tomato and pork and onions, something else, and then they steaming 4 hours. It's very tasty. You have to try it here, and I'm gonna do.歩行者天国です。歩行者天国ってなんて言えばいいんやろうな。ウォーキングパラダイスフリーウォークウォーキングパラダイス謎。In the city of Bologna, there is 2 higher towers behind of me. Like now it's just only a couple of towers, only 2. Around 700 years ago, around 13th century, it had like 200 towers. It was like for nobles established a lot of towers to show off their power to the citizens. And there is also like train. Where I am. I'm here. That's cool. I have to go up the 100 meters with the stairs. So that's really sucks. Very tough. But finally. It's just so awesome. We can look down the whole landscape of the Bologna. Usually the people taking like the bus or bicycle or like a car, but I would like to walk it because like a long time ago when this church was established, there was no car, so I would like to enjoy the, like how the people, like how ancient people felt when going here. Ooh, it's a Saint Claus. Description, and it's very surprisingly good here is also Japanese description. It's very useful to understand what here is. Here is a very famous point in the Bologna. I think it is kind of the one of the best point because the point is behind the statue of Neptune, and there is one marking with a tape. This one. So what does it mean? So we, the people, stand up here, and then we see the statue of the Neptune, and close up around his like ass or the underparts. So miraculously, it's just miracle, but his index finger miraculously became, seems like his dick. So many tourists visit here to take the photo with his private part. Many people visit the point and have a, yeah, it's very funny. Everyone in the world loves like sex or like dick or the pussy joke. I love it. Me too. I love it.
Halo.
Ciao.
Ciao, dimmi pure.
Posso prendere la piccola gelato?
Posso salutare?
Ah, ciao. Uno?
Aspetta.
Ah sì, copetta.
Sì.
Uno yogurto?
Io.
Sì. Grazie.
Grazie a te.
Ciao.
A pagare?
Ah sì sì sì, ah, qua? Così. Ah ok.
Sì, è lì, Bucati.
Grazie.
Ciao.
Buona giornata.